Everyone thinks the best-selling plumbing, tile, and stone solutions are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Fenfandus Repair Kit. First up, we have the Fenfandus Tile and Granite Repair Kit. What caught my attention here is the versatility of this kit for just $19.99. If you want an affordable way to fix chips and cracks in various surfaces, this is worth a serious look. This repair kit is designed for all sorts of materials, including porcelain, quartz, and even granite. It's waterproof and hardens like porcelain after about 12 hours, which means you don't have to worry about it falling apart after a quick fix. With over 1,000 units sold just last month, it's clearly popular among DIYers. Now, some customers have mentioned that they found the mixing instructions a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the 1-to-1 ratio for mixing parts A and B, you should be fine. It's really about patience and precision. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking to maintain your home without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need an instant fix, as it does require some curing time. For $19.99, it's a solid value for the peace of mind of being able to tackle those annoying little chips. Now, if the mixing instructions gave you pause, the next product might actually suit you better for ease of use. Product number 2, Coconix Repair Kit. Next, we have the Coconix Tile and Stone Repair Kit. Priced at just $17.95, this one caught my eye because it's touted as an all-in-one solution for fixing various damages. If you're looking for something that's easy to use and covers all types of repairs, this one's worth your attention. What really stands out is its kneadable epoxy putty, which allows for a custom mix to perfectly match your tiles or stone surfaces. You can fix cracks, chips, and even discoloration, making it a versatile choice for any home. With 1 million happy customers, it's clear this kit has been a reliable go-to. However, some users found the color matching difficult. Here's the thing though, with a bit of practice and the included mixing guide, you can definitely achieve a good match. This is perfect for you if you prefer a straightforward repair process without the headache of complicated instructions. Skip this one if you're looking for a product that works instantly, since it still needs some setup. At $17.95, it's a solid investment for those DIY fixes that make your home feel brand new. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those serious about drilling and cutting. Product number 3, Diamond Hole Saw Kit. Now, let's talk about the 10-pack Diamond Hole Saw Kit by LITDDDW, priced at $39.99. What drew me in is the range of sizes available. If you're dealing with various materials and need precise holes, this kit is a game changer. It includes 10 sizes from 1/4 inch to 2 inches, which means you can tackle everything from plumbing holes to bathroom installations. The serrated design helps it quickly position itself and cut through tough materials like granite and porcelain. Plus, it can be used dry or wet, which is a huge plus for versatility. Now, some customers have mentioned wear on the bits after multiple uses. Here's the thing, if you're using them on really tough materials, it's normal for wear to happen, but proper care can extend their life significantly. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or a serious DIYer who often works with tile and stone. Skip this one if you only need to make occasional holes, as it might be more than you need. For $39.99, it's an investment that pays off in time and efficiency. If you're looking for drill bits that can handle heavy-duty jobs, the next product is definitely worth considering. Product number 4, Masonry Drill Bit Set. Next on the list is the upgraded premium masonry drill bit set, priced at $17.99. I found this set appealing due to its durability and versatility. If you're frequently working with multiple materials, this is worth a look. These drill bits are made with high-grade tungsten carbide tips, meaning they stay sharp even after repeated use. You can use them on concrete, brick, tile, and even glass. Plus, they come in a handy storage case, making it easy to keep everything organized. With consistent positive feedback, it's clear this set is a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The downside? Some users reported that the bits can be tricky to get started without a pilot hole. But realistically, having a pilot hole is a best practice anyway for accuracy. This is perfect for you if you often switch between different materials during projects. Skip this one if you only need a drill for light tasks, as it may be overkill for simpler jobs. For $17.99, it's a great value for a solid, durable set of drill bits. Now, if you're specifically looking for something to tackle tile installation, the last product is definitely a worthwhile option. Product number 5, Daduo-Ri Diamond Hole Saw. Last but not least, we have the Daduo-Ri 4 1/8 inch Diamond Hole Saw, priced at $23.98. This one caught my attention for its size and precision. If you need to create precise holes in tiles, this is a must-have. The pilot bit included ensures that you start off right, preventing any slipping and ensuring a clean cut. With a thicker diamond blade, it tackles porcelain, granite, and even glass with ease. It's designed for home decoration and installation projects, so it's perfect for anyone working on renovations. Some users have pointed out that it can struggle with thicker materials. Here's the thing though, for standard tiles and typical materials, it performs exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you're doing a DIY project that involves tile installation. Skip this if you need something for industrial-grade materials, since it's best suited for home use. At $23.98, it offers good value for the precision it brings to your projects. To wrap things up, we covered a range of products, from the versatile Fenfandus repair kit to the precise Daduo-Ri diamond hole saw. Each one has its strengths tailored to specific needs, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional. Remember, the best option really depends on your specific project requirements. Choose wisely and happy fixing.